What is up? We're jumping back on the boat today. We're gonna change out all the rest of these latches with these nice Gemlux latches, and then I have a compression latch for the anchor locker, but we're gonna get in there, do a quick upgrade. I did the fish box one a while ago. Now we're gonna switch out all the rest of them so they all match. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. So this is pretty straightforward. There's 3 or 4 screws you gotta remove, and the latch will come right out. So I want to show you what comes with the latch. When you get it, so obviously you get the latch. I believe they're around $60. You get 2 different latches for the bottom for the different height, the lid thicknesses and all that stuff. So you have adjustability, and then you get a backing plate. But it does not come with any of the hardware you need. So for the hardware, you're gonna need screws. They're number 10 24, 1.25 long, some number 10 stainless washers, some number 10 24 nylon locking nuts. So just make sure they're all stainless and you'll be good to go. So that's all you need. And then some silicone. I got white. Clear might have been a better option, but some white silicone, and that's about it. Just like that. You get it in there, you get a good squeeze out. You don't want any air in there. That looks good. Put it on. Just get them started. And obviously, you're not going to use your impact on this. I just use it for taking stuff apart. Direction. We get it all set. And that looks about perfect. So we'll be gentle. Get this thing snugged up without touching it. That'll work, but that's as high as I can get it because of the screw head sticks out just a little bit right here from the mounting screw. So this one. Alright, but that's it. So now I just tighten that up and we're done with that one. Then we gotta do the rest of them, and then I'll come back and show you the compression latch. So all those are done. Once you do one, they're all the same and they go quick. So it only took a couple minutes to finish those up. And then this is the compression latch. It comes with a backing plate. It's got different spacers, so you don't have to use those. And then it's got an O-ring on there also. We're not going to use the O-ring, and we'll use however many spacers we need to use. But it just goes like that. And then it actually comes with its own hardware, and then the latch. It's got the same as the other one. It's got a couple different sizes on there. And then this one, you see when you let up on it, it sticks out, and it pulls it tight. So it should take up that gap up there in the anchor locker hatch. So we're gonna put this one in, but it should be pretty much straightforward, just like the other ones. All right, so I got that bedded in there. We didn't use the gasket or any of the spacers, and we're just going on the backing plate, and we're gonna screw it right in and be done with it. That's perfect. Somehow I nailed that right on the first try. That's absolutely perfect. So, throw that on there and be done. I can't see anything, so you got that? Bam. Nice and tight. That's beautiful. All I gotta do is just come back and put a wrench on these little nuts. That's it. Alright, finished up. And there's our finished product. Got the boat all dirty, but whatever. Looks like it. It looks really nice. And then back up to the front. 1, 2. That's one I put on before. And then that compression one, that's all quiet now. I'm dying. Do this in the morning or in the evening. Probably burnt too. So, but anyways, that's done. It looks good. So I'm happy with it. It was like $300 in latches. So nice little upgrade for the boat. Makes it look nice, more modern. So thanks for watching.